Hi everyone, welcome to TechPP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to natively lock WhatsApp Web on your browser. Previously, if you wanted to password protect WhatsApp Web, you had to depend on third-party browser extensions. However, WhatsApp now has a built-in app lock feature that lets you secure WhatsApp Web directly with a password. Here is how to enable it. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser and sign in to your account. Now click on your profile picture or the settings option in the bottom left corner of the screen. From here, select Privacy. Scroll down until you see the option called App Lock. Tap on it. Now enable App Lock. WhatsApp will ask you to create a password. Enter the password you want to use. The password needs to be between 6 and 128 characters. Enter the same password again to confirm it. Once you're done, click OK. That's it. WhatsApp Web is now protected with App Lock. You can also choose how quickly WhatsApp should automatically lock when you are away. For example, you can set it to lock after 1 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. If you are using a shared computer or frequently leave your browser open, selecting 1 minute is probably the better option. You can also lock WhatsApp instantly without waiting for the timer. Open the three-dot menu and tap Lock App. WhatsApp will immediately lock. To access your chats again, enter the password you created and click Unlock. Make sure you remember this password because you will need it every time WhatsApp Web is locked. If you forget the password, you can log out of WhatsApp Web and link your account again. So, quick recap. Open WhatsApp Web, go to Privacy, open App Lock, create a password, then select how quickly you want WhatsApp to automatically lock. This is how you can natively password protect WhatsApp Web without installing any third-party extensions. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful WhatsApp tutorials like this, subscribe to our TechPP channel.